In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Monday.com. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline communication or just someone who wants to save time in their daily workflows, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Monday.com board. Once you're on the board, the next step is to locate and click on the Automate button. This button can usually be found at the top of your board and will lead you to Monday.com's Automation Center. Automations are powerful tools that can help cut down on repetitive tasks by systematizing them within the platform. After you've clicked on Automate, you'll see a new page where you can manage your automations. The next step is to click on Create Automation. This will allow you to set up a new automation specifically tailored to creating email templates. The Create Automation button is typically easy to spot. It's prominently displayed as it's a key feature of Monday.com. Once you're in the automation creation page, you'll have the opportunity to personalize your email template. This step involves crafting the body of your emails, setting up triggers, and determining the timing for when these emails should be sent out. You have the freedom to customize the message to fit your specific needs, whether it's a friendly reminder, a project update, or something else entirely. This feature is designed to be as flexible as possible to ensure your communications are both efficient and effective. Next, you'll need to click on Gmail. This integration is crucial if you're planning to send emails directly from your Monday.com account using your Gmail. Make sure you have your Gmail account configured within Monday.com to avoid any hiccups in this step. It's a seamless process that connects your existing Gmail credentials to automate email sending. After linking Gmail, you'll need to go back to the automation page and click on Create Automation once more, this time following the on-screen prompts. This part guides you through finalizing your setup by confirming details such as email recipients and other relevant settings. It's important to follow each prompt carefully to ensure that everything is set correctly to your liking. And there you have it. You've now set up an email template automation in Monday.com. With these automated emails, you'll never miss a beat in your project updates, and your team will appreciate the consistency and clarity in communication. If you run into any issues, remember that there are plenty of resources and support available through Monday.com's Help Center. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your workflow.